Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to check your gift card balance after activation, step by step. Step 1. Locate your gift card information. For physical cards, scratch off the protective layer to reveal the card number and PIN. For digital cards, find the code in your email or message. Step 2. Visit the official website of the gift card issuer. Make sure you are on the correct and secure site to avoid scams. Look for a section labeled Check Balance or Gift Card Balance. Step 3. Sign into your account if required. Some issuers require an account to view gift card balances. If you don't have an account, create one using your email and a secure password. Step 4. Enter your card details. Input the card number and PIN exactly as shown. Double-check for typos to ensure the system can read your card correctly. Step 5. Click Submit or Check Balance. The website or app will display your current gift card balance. Step 6. For physical cards, you can also call the customer service number printed on the back of the card. Follow the automated instructions to hear your balance. Step 7. Keep your card and confirmation details safe. Checking your balance regularly helps you track spending and ensures the funds are available for future purchases. That's it. Following these steps allows you to check your gift card balance quickly and securely. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more simple and helpful step-by-step guides.